standard, fully customizable 14.2-inch diagonal cluster display sits directly in front of the driver. Select Cluster View Selection on the 7.2-inch control panel touchscreen to choose between Gauge, Map, Augmented Reality, or available Night Vision Display on the center cluster display. Select Gauge View and gain the ability to customize content to the left and right of the center speedometer. Change content on the left side by tapping the Vehicle Information app icon on the infotainment screen, browsing, and selecting desired content, then tapping Show in Cluster. Remove content from this zone by tapping Remove from Cluster. Change content on the right side by using the right side steering wheel controls. Other vehicle alerts may also display in this zone. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.